Hey guys, welcome to BLONITY. First, my little disclaimer, this is no financial advice, my own opinion and estimates. My estimates could be completely wrong. Don't trust, always verify, understand the numbers, be aware of scammers, and you know the best how to invest your money. Please be aware that I'm invested in Hive Blockchain, Argo Blockchain, Bitfarms, H8, K1, DMG Blockchain, and Digihost. So I became sick over the weekend. I'm still feel very weak, but I thought I should make a video because I'm lying the whole day in the bed or sitting. Yeah, I'm in the bathroom, and yeah, it's not easy right now. But yeah, I think with these crazy prices, yeah, it's time to talk about this. We have seen this Bitcoin drop here from 59,500 to 53,500, so huge drop. Then here a big recovery candle, and now it moves up again. We will see whether this continues or not. The stocks yesterday had a huge dump again. Some are recovering today. DMG Blockchain 13%, Digihost 8%, Hive 1%, Bitfarms. Yeah, Bitfarms was crazy. I think yesterday huge pump here to 880 and then a 33% dump here to 580 and now recovering to 690. So there's incredible volatility right now in the market. Riot also a little bit in green today. Yeah, the US stocks are doing not so good right now too. Yeah, I mean, there's right now, in addition to this Bitcoin dump, there's fear on the stock market. Because yeah, a few days ago there were Janet Yellen talking about maybe rising interest rates, and yeah, right now there's fear about inflation. Yeah, that the costs for all these companies go up, and yeah, that's why the stock market is losing. There are many reasons right now. So I mean, it's an insane world where we're living in. Yeah. I think on Thursday, H8 will report the quarter results. I hope they have some good news to get these stocks finally a little bit a lift, because that's much appreciated here. We need this now. Yeah, let's move on. So let's check a little bit the data. We have, the prices are okay for Ethereum and Bitcoin. They're good. Mining profitability for Bitcoin is at 36 cents per day per terahash, which is good. Yeah, this here is insane. We have Ethereum at 28 cents per day per mega hash. So, I mean, this is approximately, yeah, you can see it here. This was yesterday. This was 24 cents per mega hash. And yeah, today we're gonna add higher. When we look to the 3-year chart, I mean, look at this. I mean, the Ethereum miners, they doubled their revenue since yesterday from here to here. That's insane. When we go to the all-time and go to the 2017 bull run, I mean, we're right now higher than the peak of the 2017 bull run for the mining profitability for Ethereum. So that's really crazy. So incredibly profitable. We can see it here that the transaction fees are again very, very high in Ethereum. 28,200 ETH per day, and we can see it here. Per day there are 170 million US dollars mined in Ethereum, and yeah, in Bitcoin it's only 63 million right now. So Bitcoin a lot more stable here, but yeah, Ethereum incredible profitable. Yeah, but Hive Blockchain is still 3% up. So no big moves right now here, but on the fundamental side they're making a lot of money. But right now no one cares about fundamentals, that's clear. It's all about the macro market, about greed and fear. Right now there's everywhere fear. So yeah, I think it will take a little bit to get these stocks up again. Yeah, Riot Blockchain shares production of 206 Bitcoin for April 2021 and shipment of 6,500 S19 Pro end miners. Yeah, so Riot Blockchain is very, very profitable. They mined 206 Bitcoin in April, an increase of approximately 91% over its pre-halving April 2020 production of 108. the company through April 2021, the company produced a total of 697 BTC, an increase of approximately 79% over its pre-halving BTC production of 2020. So Riot holds now 1,771 BTC mined, which is very good. Then they got some miners here. The installation of the 6,500 miners is expected to be completed in Q2 2021. They will add approximately 1 exahash, or we will go to 2.3 exahash in Q2 here. So in Q2. So we don't know exactly when they install these miners. I think they're still maybe in the container on the ship or something like this. But yeah, at some point they will install these miners. Then they will grow to 7.7 exahash in Q2 2022, which is a long time. But I mean, 1.3 exahash what they have right now, it's also a big number, to be clear here. Okay, so they will file the quarter report here on May 17th. So now it's starting the reporting season. On Thursday we will have HUD 8, and yeah, next week then we have Riot Blockchain, so that's very nice. Okay, let's move on. So big digital assets here. So the stock was also slaughtered in the last few days and weeks. After a huge rise, they're now back to zero. But they tell us here a little bit about their company. So if you want to learn a little bit here, it's about the blockchain intelligence group. So they have some forensic stuff here. The Clue, the visual forensics platform, continues to receive consistent positive feedback on its supervisor visualization engine, ease of use, accuracy. Then they have BitRank Verified, a risk scoring portal for virtual asset service providers. Big Forensics Investigative Service is busy working with law enforcement departments, and so on. They have a lot of stuff. And then they have Netcoins, the exchange here, which is working within the last 18 months. Very good. And here's a Q&A. So they answer here a lot of Q&A. It's too much to go through all of this here, but if you want to learn a little bit about big digital assets, I think this is very good here. Let's move on. So DMG provides Core Plus strategy update on Blockseer pool platform, now running over 1 exahash of Bitcoin mining. So the good thing is with DMG blockchain, they are not a pure miner. They have a lot of services. They do, for example, they are doing this Bitcoin mining pool software, and they're running more than 1 exahash. So maybe this is the client Mara, who knows? But that seems very profitable. So they say here normally a pool will charge an average of 2% for its users. This would be $45,000 per week per exahash. So I don't know whether they charge 2% or something else. They take a negotiated fee. But the good thing is you don't have much cost when you're operating this pool. You have the software, and so that adds additional revenue for DMG blockchain. They have some other stuff here. We now have 4 operating platforms: Explorer, Wallet Score, Pool, and Mine Manager. So the Mine Manager, this is a software for mining operators where you can check all your miners there. And with coming additions of Breeze and Freeze, Blockseer Custody Wallet Solutions, and Petra, which is now patent pending and focuses on solving regulatory issues for banks and financial institutions as they add Bitcoin operations. So they are working on all these products here, more on the software side, and they bought a lot of miners. So in the coming months, as we move forward with our plans to add crypto exchange capabilities to Blockseer. This is also interesting to have crypto exchange capabilities. DMG is investing significantly in new revenue generating products beyond crypto mining. So despite these huge dumps here for these stocks, the companies are still working. They're very productive. They build new products, and they're increasing all this stuff. Then we have Digihost here. Digihost announces status of Nasdaq listing application and expansion of cryptocurrency business model. So first of all, they say that they want to go to Nasdaq. Thereafter, in March, the company submitted an initial application for listing on Nasdaq. The Nasdaq listing application process is subject to a number of listing requirements and regulatory approvals, and as such, there can be no assurances that the listing will be granted. Okay, so there's nothing guaranteed. We know this from the other companies, but yeah, they try to get to Nasdaq, and this would be huge for Digihost. We will see whether this plays out or not. So then the business strategy, we know that they want to add more miners. They have bought this power plant here, which is nice. But yeah, there's still the risk with New York State. They made a proposal of a moratorium of Bitcoin mining, so that's a little bit risky, to be honest. But yeah, the company holds now a balance of 564 ETH on the balance sheet. So it looks like they are buying Ethereum right now, or they bought Ethereum, hopefully not at $4,000, hopefully before. So yeah, they're also believing in Ethereum, and yeah, they say they want to go into Ethereum mining too. Where does it says? So in addition to its strong BTC mining operations, the company has the resources and capabilities to diversify into Ethereum technologies, which has broad applications and significant potential for growth. The company currently holds these 564 ETH, which is very nice. Okay, so yeah, these are the news. Not very big, but yeah, at least some stocks are in green. We will see how this continues. Yeah, it's a tough time, to be honest, right now. Also for me, for my portfolio. I mean, I'm sitting also, maybe like you, with these stocks here in the, at the bottom here, or hopefully at the bottom, and waiting for some price discovery. Because, these companies, they're making like 80% gross mining margins, but no one cares about this right now. It's all about the macro market. In general, crypto is right now, there's a lot of FUD about crypto, a lot of, then about this energy consumption, and this is not easy, to be honest, but I mean, the fundamentals are there. I've shown you right now for Ethereum mining, which is incredibly profitable right now. The cryptos are doing good, so it always makes sense to own some cryptos too. But these stocks, they're not good right now. So hopefully we get a Bitcoin rise now to higher levels here, to get some relief here on these stocks. And we need some good news. We need some financials here, some very good financials, and some news about uplisting and miner installation. So that's very important now to get out of this dump here. Okay, guys. So yeah, right now I'm still feeling sick. So it's not possible for me to answer all the emails I receive and all this stuff. So yeah, please be a little bit patient. I hope I will get healthy in the next few days, and then I will be back. Okay, guys. So thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one. Auf Wiedersehen.